system, advantages of proposed system, requirement specification, and references. I'm going to give a presentation about introduction. Air pollution data and transmitting wirelessly to the base station. VANET refers to a network created in ad hoc manner where different moving vehicles and other connecting devices come in contact over wireless medium and exchange useful information. Here, useful information is the pollution data which has been collected in the sync node. These sync node will transmit the data to the public transport vehicles via VANET devices. These VANET devices get the information about the uh, pollution data, and later
Could
on
you stop for a moment? The presentation, where it is going, you are in the introduction part?
Yes, ma'am, I am in introduction part.
The introduction you are saying so much. Okay. And the introduction is not in the points also. You're not able to follow whatever you are saying.
I'll start from beginning, ma'am.
Don't start it from the beginning.
Okay, ma'am.
It is not point wise your slides. You don't have any other slides which you are explaining. It will go from there.
Yesterday's you showed me it was there as modification. Again you removed. How many times you'll send and modify?
For the introduction, I think you are telling description too much, I guess. Okay, continue. But we are not able to follow where it is going from where.
Of course,
put a diagram, it would have been nice.
It is not like
Okay,
paragraph.
continue, Kushi.
Key points.
Continue, Kushi, no problem.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, here the WSN will collect the data and give it to the sync node. Sync node refers to like it will collect the data from the intermediate nodes and it will give it to the sync node so that the sync node will transmit the data to the public transport vehicles. Public transport vehicles get the information via VANET. Here VANET will be like a ad hoc network which will get the information from these sync nodes. Later on, the data is collected by the base station and then transmitted to the server. Later on, the public can use the data for knowing the pollution levels. The further slides will be presented by Bhagyashri.
Good morning, everyone. Myself, Bhagyashri. I would like to continue with the literature survey and existing system. First, I am going to IoT-based environment monitoring using wireless sensor network. It's been measuring from 2018 and developed using open source hardware platform and Raspberry Pi. Its advantage is it is used to remotely monitor the weather parameters and pollution details. And disadvantage is besides the reduced size of sensor device which can cause battery issue. And next is environment monitoring using wireless sensor network based on IoT. Its advantage is it provides scalable and adaptive method for data handling on wireless sensor network. And its disadvantage is environment is getting polluted each year due to growth of civilization and increasing unclean emission from industries. So it is mainly focused on air pollution monitoring around the metropolitan and industrial areas using Zigbee based wireless sensor network. And among many type of pollution like soil, noise, water and thermal and air pollution, the air pollution is the most dangerous. So management and monitoring of the air quality are the major concerns. This is not to avoiding the pollution, but being aware of the pollution and collecting the pollution details and providing to the needy areas. In the existing system, it does not consider environmental variations like highway, rural. It considers only statistical assumption. Here, statistical assumption is just assuming certain characteristics of data in all parametric tests. When it operates with a statistical assumption, there will be much focus and loss. Like if assumption is 4% will be the loss, definitely at the end it will have 10% loss. While providing the data to the gateway servers like that are in the hilly areas, because of rain or something else, there might be the packet loss or a network issue. This problem can be solved in the proposed system. Thank you all. Further, Lakshman will continue the proposed system.
Myself Lakshman. Today I am going to explain about proposed system. Here in proposed system we implement the efficient routing algorithm for transmitting the data to the sync node in smaller amount of time. Considering a case if bulk of data from the sensor has been collected and routing algorithm is not efficient for intelligent distribute of bandwidth in more efficient way.
Lakshman, be louder and clear.
Considering a case if bulk of data from the sensor has been collected and the routing algorithm is not environmental friendly, along with not much intelligent to distribute the bandwidth in more efficient way, then the system will not work properly and it would be expected to deliver the wrong information. Therefore, we are proposing.
And I have taken presentation Sunday, no? You didn't give your batch. You are directly giving it today, no? Huh? Continue.
Therefore, we have implemented a model that does not require any complex routing algorithm rather than the sensor nodes. Will be deployed in conducting other sensor nodes in sync node, which easier way. Much easier way. Here we collect the data from the Zigbee sensor network, and
Lakshman, please be close to your mobile or to the laptop which you are speaking. Not audible, man. Please be closer to
technology
the
exists
mic.
on outdoor.
Yeah.
This technology exists
Have
on
some
outdoor
energy in your
process,
voice. You don't have the energy also. Energy levels are dropping. Not interested, Lakshman Nath? Which shows that you're not interested in presenting. Yeah, speak louder then.
This technology will exist in the outdoor unit like buses and metros, which is based on the mobility and will deployed in the moving buses. These moving buses will cover all the major area of the cities and collect the data, and we will view data in dynamic way. And here we collect and analyze the data in a way that the sensor node will collect the data from the air and it transmit the data to the sync node for the cluster. Then the sync node will collect the information to all the sensors and make the database. After public transport buses will reach the destination, we can collect the data either using USB or Ethernet that helps in communicating services that actually makes a database management and the data readily available and displayed through the internet, usually using web-based devices connected to the internet. Whenever the updated data is needed to the server will request and the data from the sensor device, and in this way we collect the data in the easy way. In design, the VANET will collect the data from the sync node. Here the sync node will get the data from the different intermediate node. From the sync node, the data is given to the base station using LTA. Then the data is given to the server from the first. Thank you, Anandal. My friend Venu is going to explain about advantages and disadvantages.
Good morning, good afternoon. Myself Venugopal. Now I am explaining about drawback of existing system. In existing system, the higher energy consumption for the collection of huge volume of data and induce the high latency for providing a real-time service. If we use this advantage technology, we have a disadvantage of high delay of providing real.
Not provide, Venugopal, provisioning.
In this technology, we have a disadvantage of higher. Very poor when the speed is high and fast from one atmospheric to another atmospheric, because there will be high packet loss in the network. Kushi, go to next slide. Advantages of proport systems. First, we improving energy efficiency and reduce the latency for collecting the huge number of pollution data and utilize the bandwidth resource more efficiently. It's transfer high speed of data to over a network like Wi-Fi, Ethernet. Those improves the overall system performance like system speed. Understand the atmospheric more efficiently, considering the high speed of the network device under heterogeneous or hybrid network. Hybrid network is nothing but connection between one or more connecting technology. Now come to requirement specification. In hardware requirement specification, we use Intel i5 processor, 6 GB RAM and 1 TB hard disk. And software requirement specification is our programming language, we use C# or Python. The operating system is use Windows 10 and ISS. ISS stand for Internet Information Service. It's extensible.
You people have not decided on the programming language.
WSN will sense the ma'am, WSN will sense the air pollution levels, ma'am, like smoke concentration, dust particles, and also the gases, ma'am. So,
Which one,
like,
WSN, huh?
yes, ma'am. Like, if we consider a locality, that WSN will be placed, ma'am. So that different nodes will be there, ma'am. Like
What is
WSN is wireless sensor networks, ma'am.
Okay, it is the sensor network.
Yes, ma'am.
In
It will
the
sense.
project report, I guess you have to expand all these and write. Otherwise, nobody will understand. So you will be doing the project. You know when you're presenting. I guess you have to write what is all those. Okay. Come back to the
Okay.
diagram. Come back to the diagram. Block diagram. Come back to the
Ma'am, this is the general block diagram which we took it in Google, ma'am.
Okay.
Like,
How you will be implementing this?
Ma'am,
How are you implementing this? How will you implement this?
ma'am, we implement it using Python, ma'am. Like collected data is accessed in programming languages, and then we'll get to know about the different pollution levels, ma'am.
So you will not have the base station. You are only using the sensor networks now.
Ma'am, sensor networks, ma'am. These sensor networks will be collecting the data, ma'am. Later on, these data will be given to VANET. And also, the data which has been collected will be given to the server for database management.
Again, why you have to give it to VANET?
Ma'am, VANET will get to know about the pollution levels, ma'am, like real-time monitoring. These sensor networks will give the information to the VANET devices, so that VANET will get to know about, VANET devices will be knowing the pollution levels. So to maintain a database, we'll be giving this to server, ma'am.
Oh, okay. Now you have to be clear on that. Nothing is clear here. I guess it is complex also, the project which you have chosen. So you have to take term by term, and you have to split the work, and you have to look into what everything is doing.
It's not clear,
Really,
madam.
it is.
Still there in SRS. Nothing is clear.
Yeah, that's what they have to divide the task, and they have
Yes.
to
Why we
split
have
it up.
found that?
That is what.
Why teams are made in order to divide the work and do.
Yeah, they won't divide, but
differently.
yeah, it's for everyone. Please divide everything and learn so that it will be helpful for you when you are presenting. And everything you have to learn. What you people were doing, all of you, most of them, even my project group, I am telling.
You
Most of them have not worked. Only now, ma'am has asked for presentation. Everybody are in a hurry to give to get it corrected by their guides. That's all. They've never worked from the beginning.
They themselves can meet virtually and they can do discussions. So many things they can do.
And many have taken good projects also. Nobody has worked. That is the problem. Yeah, please correct your slides. And yeah, the flow diagram has to be correct. That is what is required. Keep your flow diagrams. The project is nice, but that's what not able to write diagrams.
Every
Explain
time
diagrams.
you won't get second chance. This is final presentation. You have not taken this as seriously. Well before it is informed to you. Okay. And Monday's review is starting, madam. They are troubling me on Sunday. Sunday whole up to
Yeah, yeah, for me also.
night also have taken reviews and all. Sunday they are troubling me. So what we can ask according to their presentations and their things, we'll assess them. That's all.
Yeah, that's
Yes,
what.
we can do.
Their energy, some people energy is also low. Means they are not interested also.
Yes. That N2 itself is not there.
Yeah, something will go, give and go. They will give marks. That is what.
Just they want to get rid of this. It's like
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, you should have made them to come to college and give demo.
Yeah, I have shared a Google link also. How many of them want to give offline review. See, only 2 have chosen. The others are all online review. I have statistics also.
Yeah. Okay.
Nothing. Khushi, anyway, this will not be considered, yeah.